All right. So you're gonna come up here. You will find the end of your filament that you cut at an angle. Come back down to the feed. There's a little hole right here. You push this in. And if you can do it one-handed, awesome. I cannot. So you're basically just gonna push it in like that, or you can wiggle the filament around until you find the hole, which normally does not work for me. So, all right, so I got it inside the hole. Then you're going to just push it in, and you'll see it flow through the tube. All right. Then you'll come back over here. You'll hit that, and it'll start feeding. You'll heat it back up. And make sure you subscribe, like this video, give it a share to any of your other friends and family who enjoy 3D printing, who are just wanting to get into this. It's a basic tutorial on just, you know, changing your filament for the very first time. And I mean, we all start somewhere. So it took me a minute to figure it out when I first opened this and set it up. Setting it up is a whole process in and of itself. You will run into a few issues here and there. But once you get it in, once you get it put together, once you get it calibrated, once you get the bed calibrated, basically. And the biggest issue you're probably going to have is when you first start trying to print anything. If that bed and that nozzle are not within a pretty close spec, chances are it is not going to stick to the bed. And you need to go through and preheating them, fix your preheat settings and things like that. So once this is put in, back away a little bit so that way it focuses a bit better. Alright, we're going to purge it some more until we start seeing the blue come out. Alright, so we're still pulling green, and as you can see, it's now turning blue. Alright, so it's purged. Alright, now that we're doing this, we got it changed out, I want to go ahead and print. Just go ahead and print something real fast just to make sure everything sticks properly. As you can see, it's starting to feed, but we're preheating the bed now. So, still have a minute or two for the bed preheats, but the filament is already preheated, the nozzle is anyway. And you can go ahead and put your old filament, re-spool it, and get it clipped in so that way it doesn't come unglued on you. One spool all over the place. I say that trying to do this one-handed, but it doesn't seem to ever work. So, put it back in the tripod. Sorry, folks. Let's get that thing focused in. So, what we'll do is go from the inside out, back in. Still can't do it even with two hands. I wasn't making a video, this would probably go so smooth. When you're trying to show other folks how to do it, nothing ever seems to go that way. So, all spooled back up. You're going to come back over here. And the bed is now preheated. And it's making sure that the extruder is preheated once again. So we'll come back, clean all that off. There we go. Now the best way to check, it'll tell you, honestly, is when the bed moves in and if that starts to actually adhere in a straight line and it's not all squiggly, kind of like it is, but it will straighten itself out shortly. There we go, it's in a straight line, it's not all squiggly and all that, so it's actually going to stick. So you're good. My bed's all scratched up. Okay. So it looks like it's really thin on one side. Oh, that's only because it's scratched up and it's kind of absorbing into the tray, into the bed. Actually, so this needs to be adjusted, as you can see. It is too high on that side. So we'll go ahead and tighten it up, which will lower that side just ever so slightly. Same thing over here. Because you definitely don't want that to not print right. Otherwise you're just wasting material. So there you have it, folks. How to change your filament for the first time. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if I've done anything wrong, leave a comment. I'm not afraid of constructive criticism, so thanks and have a great day.